Don't settle for a garden variety shed when you can have a premium shed that's built to last for a fraction of the cost. For a limited time, save a whopping 30 to 45% off store-wide with the EasyShed Christmas sale. Australian sheds made with the finest quality steel and a lifetime warranty. Too easy. Choose from a massive range with huge savings today, like our gable roof shed, save over $300, or our truss roof workshop, save over $800. Order today. It's easy. Go online and select your EasyShed. Enjoy free depot delivery and assemble in 5 easy steps. For a superior shed with superior savings, the EasyShed Christmas sale is one you don't want to miss. Shop at easyshed.com.au today. Save 45% off our skillion roof shed or over $300 off our gable roof shed. EasyShed combines style, durability and massive savings, assembled in 5 easy steps. To save 30 to 45% off a premium shed, buy direct at easyshed.com.au.